Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my easy corn with a kick taste. So I have here fresh cut corn. We need 1 tablespoon of butter, once it melts, add 4 tablespoons of chopped onion, then 4 tablespoons of chopped green bell pepper. Then once it's tender, add the corn. You can also use the frozen corn if that's you have available at home. Then after that, add 4 tablespoons of tomato. And add 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon or more of cayenne pepper. It's up how much you need according to your taste. Just cook it. And now our corn with a kick taste is ready to serve. Corn with a kick taste because it is spicy. So this is it for today, guys. If you have any comment or suggestion, just comment it down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone for visiting my channel. Thank you.